Okay, hello beautiful people. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and it's your boy La Silenta here. And for the old guys, you know how it goes. I'm still your boy La Silenta here. Okay, let's go guys. Last week we had a look at Asha Bistro, which is one of the most beautiful restaurants, as I told you, in Kwale County, and the response was wow, thanks to you guys. So for today's video we are going to have a look at Kimeremeta. I think Kimeremeta comes from a Swahili word meremeta, yani kumeremeta, and when we are talking about Kimeremeta we are talking about Sonko here. So it's located in Kwale County, some kilometers away from the Kwale town. If you don't have a private means, a boarder can take you there from Kwale town, which is actually 100 Kenya. It's a nice place. It's a place for everyone. You can take your kids, you can go with your family, you can take your so-called babe or whatever you call him or her. And in here we have a swimming pool, a bar, a garden, a restaurant, and many other things. And for those of you who like taking pictures like I do, then this place is one for it. The view here is something else. It's a hilltop view where you can have a view of Mombasa County, and I'm going to show you guys. So let's have a look at what we are talking about.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Hey, straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the wrestle with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas.
I told you earlier guys, it's a place for everyone. Here we have a playground which is well designed for kids to enjoy themselves, and they'll be busy doing what they always like doing most.
Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you running y'all gang or you suit. Got a New Orleans bitch, him in that pussy voodoo. Ain't on that nigga now, who knew? I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke.
I hope guys you are seeing this view as I'm seeing it. I really like the spot. So here we have the swimming pool. It has both ends, the deep end and the shallow end. The deep end for the pros guys like me, and the shallow end for the kids and the amateurs.
I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new Bentayga. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live it. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit. 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been ballin' on niggas. That's why we ball on these niggas. That's why we ball on these niggas. Yeah. That's why we ball on these nigks.
What we are seeing here is the restaurant. Everything here is just delicious at the place. And guess what guys? You can ask for a table for two because I know it.
Wild West, and I put the coolin' on the tip, and I bought some land, I invest. Oh, stepping on the piss. Whoa, shawty gon' molest me. Whoa, bought a richer meal, you get the message. And on me go gang like a Mexican. Introduce her to the gang with your best. Hopping out the V with a freak, blue hunter stacking up neat. You can get whacked in a week. She got a big old booty, good physique. In the jacuzzi, rubbing on my feet. She so bad, she don't wanna talk and speak. A lot of gas and she love it when I speak. These new big they look like water right at sea. Forget. Blow your brain, turn it to a sunroof. Blow your brain. Make the stick kick, hit kung fu. Spin 100, let the zombie hunt you. Spin 100, get you wet when I sneeze, hot you. Millionaire coming through in white suits. Send the gang to come and snipe you. Look a flying, hit them with the right you. She give them brain to in and not move. I'ma put her in a rubber, fuck her in a Fashion Nova. Biggest in the AP, and it's cold like Minnesota. Double let the doja, put a 4 up in the soda. Tryna get this YOLO while the devil on my shoulder. Fuck a snake, bit the stick, bite your wedges like a cobra. Nigga hate, fuck your bitch, I'm a fucker on the cover. When you up, yeah they love you, don't forget about your brother. 55 belay, I got it blooded when I got it. Thought I was a sucker, make the chopper uppercut him. Gotta meet up with the gang like a coach, I caught a huddle. Trippin' when I'm steppin', got me leaving back a puddle. Get a nigga scrap, real quiet, real subtle. Big dogs daddy, don't play with this shit. Fuck around and spend $500,000 on a hit. I'ma make $1 million off the rip. And I can snap a finger, get you flipped. Wild, wild west. Wild, wild. And I put the coolin' on the tip. Coolin'. And I bought some land, I invest. Oh, steppin' on the piss. Whoa, shawty gon' molest me. Whoa, bought a richer me, you get the message. And I'm ego gang like a Mexican. Introduce you to the gang with your best. Hoppin' at the V with a freak. Blue Honda stacking up neat. You can get whacked in a week. She got a big old booty, good physique. In the jacuzzi, rubbing on my feet. She so bad, she don't wanna talk and speak. A lot of gas, and she love it when I speak. You need to get they look like water right at sea. Forgets.
I'm the man with the plan. I can put a shark on land. They like that nigga cool as a fan. She been again like a faucet again. I got real pretty vibes in the pan. The spot got Chanel pine pants. Lamborghini, come and catch it if you can. Young on money and I'm dressing like the rain. Bitch dying for the cause, Just sit back, slime, penny, slime like the hot top. But any given time, it come on. Niggas in the face, got my time a lot off. Headed from the south to the north. Gonna worldwide, I be dripping hot sauce. I put my balls in a hole like golf. I know when they call when the
That's what we are talking about, guys. Kimi Remeta is the name. I got you guys. So much love for you guys. Thank you for the stunning support. And as we always say it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Drop your comments. You can follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Lassie Lenta. Inshallah, we all make it to next year. Wishing you a happy new year.